Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel Naseyuji. In this video I'm showing you how we built our house stage by stage. At first, my husband made the house plan. After doing the house plan, then he got an engineer. They did engineer structure services. Then those services, where there are stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, stage 4, stage 5, where there is a foundation, they marking of lines, foundation wall, and making trench thicknesses on the profiles. There they mark lines, the lines of the building, that is the foundation. Then they do concrete binding and do bases. Then they do footings and column bases, building foundation walls. Then they do backfilling. Then they do compaction with the roller machine. Then they did floor perimeters, that is hardcore plumbing works. Then oversight concrete, they do the German floor. Then they keep the floor to rest for some days. They come back and do another stage. We have reached the roofing stage where we need timber. There is 6x6 for the ceiling, there is 4x2 for the roofing, and nails plus the iron sheet. Then another stage is for plastering. Here we need cement plus sand, a nice cement, good quality for the plastering. You see how we are doing it there. Then we are putting bagaras. Those are the bars to support the house, plus doors and windows. You see, they're already fixed in. After that we shall put glasses. Time for tiles. You have to buy quality. You look for nice tiles for the house. You put by professionals using cement, white cement. Is it cement? Yeah, with sand. You see how we are doing the floor. That is how the floor is done. It's now time for painting. We have done the undercoat and after we put the paint. That is paste paint, also done by professionals. Oh, it is time for visiting now. A madam coming to visit the place for the first time. I'd never come here. I was surprised to see. I couldn't believe what I saw. The man put money in the house. The house was looking good. The fashion, the design, everything was good and fantastic. I thanked him. I was so happy to see this house. So nice. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and come back to watch another video. Thank you so much.